Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, remove your 2 ribeye steaks from the fridge and let them sit at room temperature for about 15 to 30 minutes. This step is crucial because it helps the steaks cook more evenly. You'll know they're ready when they no longer feel cold to the touch. A common mistake is to skip this step, which can lead to uneven cooking. Next, rub each steak with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This not only helps the seasoning stick, but also aids in creating a beautiful crust. Season generously with kosher salt and black pepper to taste. Remember, the salt will enhance the natural flavors, so don't be shy. You'll know you've seasoned enough when you see a nice, even coating on both sides. Now, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating, place a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, a heavy-bottomed pan will work too. You'll know the skillet is hot enough when a drop of water sizzles and evaporates almost immediately. This ensures a good sear. Sear the steaks in the hot skillet for 1 to 2 minutes per side. You're looking for a nice, golden brown crust. This step is important because it locks in the juices. You'll know it's time to flip when the steak releases easily from the pan without sticking. Once seared, top each steak with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 2 to 4 sprigs of fresh thyme. Transfer the skillet to the preheated oven and bake for 10 to 15 minutes. The butter and thyme will infuse the steaks with a rich flavor. You'll know they're done when the internal temperature is about 5 degrees Fahrenheit below your desired doneness. Check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer. For medium rare, aim for 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the steaks from the oven when they're 5 degrees Fahrenheit below your target temperature, as they'll continue to cook while resting. This small detail makes a big difference in achieving the perfect doneness. Rest the steaks on a plate for 5 to 10 minutes. This step is crucial because it allows the juices to redistribute, making the steak more tender and flavorful. You'll know they're ready to serve when the juices have settled and the steaks feel slightly firmer to the touch. Finally, serve the steaks with the additional butter from the pan. The butter will have absorbed the flavors of the thyme and steak, adding an extra layer of deliciousness. Enjoy your perfectly cooked steak, and remember, practice makes perfect. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.